Morena. God is good. And all the time. It's not easy. But to make it. That was a good person. He loved people. That made it there though. He loved us. He fought for us. Even defended us. We have lost one of our biggest pillars in our family, both from my mom's side and dad's side. Yeah, they don't know. Not before to get together with our career. Those are people who have always worked with us. Because I can say from that time, see, quite job, mom was not working, and dad was also not working. But this friend of dad never got tired to come to our home, never got tired to come and visit us. Baba School, you're the one to take over families. Please, see it to dad Amanda, utaichukua simu yetu. Please. Nimeipata dada kinungunika. Because I believe, both from our families, kuna watu dada ever alisaidia. But when he needed them most, no one who picked his phone. But Baba Shiko, hajaituangusha. Unaweza ongea mbaya zake. But the truth is that he has never failed us. Kamburi also, Nama. These are people that would come and tell us that hatuongei na Kamburi alinikosea. But after 3 days, you'll find them laughing and calling each other all sorts of names. He was a loving person. He loved to see people together. He even loved my kids. Because I remember for the last 2 or 4 months, I and my wife, I used to wake up in the morning to take medicine to him because he was diabetic and had pressure. So the small boy who came here is called Muhiko. Every time when I woke up, he told me, Baba, Wuka. He would always remind me that tunafaa tupelekea daddy dawa. He loved him. I used to tell him, Kehe kiaraga guko umuthi. Ananiambia pana, kiutike. Ucio ni mwanake. Ucio ni mwanake. Tondu no gutira mucio riku. Whenever we used to fight that with my sisters, he used to ask us. I remember like 3 months ago, he asked us, "Igethie wonu go mo geikara?" Okinya muroe, okinya mukomane he mundu heanaga irio. He wanted to see us happy. Even if they were the ones on the wrong, my dad would ask me, "Na wewe niwe munene guko igethie ungimaika ugu?" I would feel guilty and I come and be that he sorry me. He never wanted anyone to mistreat our kids. He used to wake up so early in the morning just to train my younger sister how to improve on his studies. And honestly, today when I went to school to ask for permission for him, the teacher told me that since for the last 3 months, Banis has improved. Because today, CRE alikuwa na 100%. Today, I'm talking about today. Social studies where she used to get 29, today she had 50 out of 60. So, what dad used to wake up to do to our kid, our baby sister, has been seen today. And it's a testimony that my sister is going to pass this exam. We are going to make it. That has set so many people in. But I'm sure we are not going to get wasted. Karango, the day I called you, I could not meet Bishop JJ and Muigai. When I called him, he told me, I'm in India, but let me give you 10,000. I've never interacted with Karango, but I told him that the next thing he said was 10,000. which he never told me, give me back. Something else, we welcome everybody who was a good friend to my dad. And we don't want issues with anyone. If you had issues now with us, please handle it before he goes. Because me, I'm not going to handle anything here. Kama ulikuwa na deni yako, kama dada alikuwa deni yako, nitishe. Please, the committee is here, handle it. Na hii committee. Mimi usikuje, si mimi ulipea. Na kaa hata ulimpatie nisaidie ni asante. Lakini mtu asikuje kutusumbua sisi na watu wetu. Tafadhali respect as hivyo. You watu wa media mumeongea mingi. Sasa mmejionea leo. Mlisema dadi ashikani yake na watu. Hawa wote wenye mnaonaga wanashikania walipitia mikononi mwao. Mind what to post and what to say. It's so hurting. Because wewe furahia kutafuta views zako. Lakini kuna mtu anaumiza zaidi. Knowing very well. Nilikuwa naibia kina JJ papers. Because na anajua and he would assume. Kwa kujitanira na ndo karoki nyanyitanira na ni watu wengine wako kujitanira nini. So please be good to us. I saw even some comments yesterday at home. You are so hurt. So I just hope I'm strong back. Thank you, Mogi. Thank you so much.
It's well. It's well. It's well.
Tikwenda kukeria horo ucio hau. No nikwenda kuga mundu wothe oete kamera iguru. Kiria mundu ahandaga no kiageka atia turithia ciana biu eke ciana irere biu ni uria urandika nigetha tukugathiririe na nigetha ugie na likes ugie na subscribers aingĩ no Ngai ndakareka mundu akome mbĩrĩra-inĩ atacaĩte uria anacaithia aria angĩ ingiaga kuga ciugo icio tondu gũkũ kũrĩ andũ ega no gũkoragwo na andũ oru aria maragia o uria mekwenda aria tu tondu kihoto kiguoko-ini gwaku no muthenya umwe ciaku ni ikaria na cikario ciana ciaku ciroreire na ni ugakona ihinda iritu muno tiri no nduki
ni kwenda unoti uhoro wa muthuri uyu as we talk now kadona mahujio na whatever matindi nishiki this was closest person to this family. And I would love to put it clear to these media guys. Muhiko darari wa guteithio. He was not a needy person. Muhiko arari muteithia. Na ndenda kugo kaburi mainana ma na mundu gwitu ithu waciko muigai haha. Muhiko was not a needy man. Acio amwe mangieterero mateithie Muhiko ni akobori. Muhiko araikaraga gwake. So let it be known by everybody, he was not needy. Muhiko have a neighbor's son, and Muhiko was leech at the Ginyatoi Yagiro Wake Idri. This man wasn't needy. No, the Muiri Ginya Jessia Kenya Yatabramuno, Nikuagira Baraini. He was an wounded soldier in the battle. Morimogioka, Okekua Mutumia, Norasokora Mukua. Natue Wabere, I name Mathiete. Achibarosa makwite na accent Murugami wa Uni Di Matthew very many na gukua anybody can die niko hoya to hoya gakaya kitu kekare kindly tiga igoikia maundu off the balance idwasianishi. Their father was not needy, and what we are doing, we are not giving because they are needy, we are doing because it's noble. Tuleko todo ni prudent na ni wega wekaguo twe Jesu anida dia kufatithia Johana Johana kifatithia Jesu Jesu ni Johana ni aligete akoga wawe munene kugira ndiagirire kufatithia no Jesu akimwira ni wega gwikaga maria mekanire na uthigu ona konde munene gugukira no nginya ubatithie. So we are doing this because this man was our senior. Ni arerete muigai kinya kumwandika wira ni rwimbo rwakorwa kinyaga mbere na nyimbo nyingi twandikite nake ona video ya kinyaga mbere ni inite korabo na ndoiki Elijah Miragia has been sponsored by him. And Elijah Miller is a great name by the Ohotua Muhiko. We used to be very down. No, this man, I reiterate, Muhiko was not needy. And I know, Pastor Elijah Miller, you can assert it. Matindi is here. Muhiko was not needy. Anybody around portray Tare and needy. He wasn't. I read to Muhiko. Namwangi, Karai Mue, your dad was was a fighter, was a neighbor man, was a path maker, path fighter. Nemodo gethire njira mutito mwiri ukimuhitiria thikonini tu na arathi amwe itu haha kungiaria ma twina ndawa mihuko na ikicingari-ini makari mau marero manene maingi mamo mena ndawa no ringiri gatito ka mwene ka ngoro kau nago no ni mwene. So let's not put this family na maithori. Their mother left like less than 2 years ago and timehia mehirie haria ndimoririe Jesu mundu uria hano guto ni kuyehirie kana ni aciari akimura kiwathiro guo nigetha Ngai agocagwo. We have done this before, we will be doing it. Tondu ithuothe turi mbere ya gakuo na guthe guciaragwo ni gukuagwo. I speak these words Karangu to encourage you. I know na wendu ugeragira challenges nyingi ukiruta wira uyu. Let this man like Karangu urute wira wake. If you feel you not give, don't, but don't talk much. These people who write too much on the social media, they give so little. Na again at the very young looking for viewers, ithu twathondekire ritwa gutari social media, gutari kinya Google. Hau niho JJ gukire gutari media, gutari kindu. Ugo sisi ni magwiji. Muigai made a name gutari media. Mira made it gutari media. Kaburi and the rest amaina na magutari social media. Twina KBC tu na ya review K. We made our way. Mukituona tuheshimuni jameni. Heshimu huyu jamaa, he was a producer tiado aike. Korwo oinini wendagia thaici thani cia CD. I think he's the man who have produced many, the best selling oini wake. Kindly, I beg you, then you want to register as your bishop. Let's respect this family. Let them mourn peacefully. Mamoni ginya tulikie wira uyu. Muiritu ucio reka kegeranio bansi, eke kegeranio na thayo. Thii mo mahoere mukimenyaga kwanyu no gugakio kando ici kana gogo cingo imwe cia makia muno te kando ici ni gakio na ndui no gakia yaku tondu gakorwo ho ndathire handu haha farahe handu haria ndi mathanduku kindu mwaka muthiru ngioria mutumia ucio ithanduku riri rima mbia cigana ngikora ria 40 ria 60 na ria 200 ngimurire ria 200 ni order kana rina mundu makinjira mwene ari oguku farake hituka ari oguku tutimwe no ari oguku mwene riri atona no kora hitukiro haha no gutiri mundu ithanduku riake tori kagoro ni committee ni wega tuma andu atatu koguo mwene ari oguku ta imagine ria kuno korwo ri handu ni iriku no ri oguku ukiaragia ukimesaga around ugikaga atia na tu media twaku. We own media houses and we don't talk much. We own media houses, not online channels. We own media houses and we don't talk much. Na hena thuri mena indo nyingi muno makirite guku tu ugoro wona na togoti itoka ho ikorerete but ile ferie mutinire negenaga muno. I beg you mureke turiki rugendo ruru na ciana citigaite maithori magaitwo kwaku kana kwanyu. I'm not saying this to you mourners, I'm saying this to those who hurting this family. The morning that Muhiko died, Ngai niarekire athie nie mainana ma Elijamira Mwaigai gutiro ngianyitikire na thimu. Our phones were off. Gitumikia Ngai kuhoria thimu citu ciothe ati mundu wanyitikire ni mundu wija ya bururi nginya kaburi danyitikire tondu ni tungiarugamire gatagati ka Ngai na Muhiko. Maybe ni tungiageririe nginya kumutwara kundu tukugiria Ngai eke wendi wake. Why did God have to come between us and agekiria thimu citu ithie? So that he wanted him to rest. He really wanted him to go. And the time will come. Nobody will stop. My friends will mourn and will come do what you have done here. Yeah. Somebody will speak the way I have spoken. Na mutiri mundu karuga gatagati gaku na Ngai akobatara. Na muthenyo ucio muratora kwendete muno agakorwo thabari kana thimu yake tarihiga. Like he did. Mundu uyu ni muthoniwe. They have married sisters. He could not be reached. Aria marichekaga ni asofinga after everything was done and the man had gone. He died peacefully and he is at peace. Let him rest and let the family rest in peace. Ithuĩ twĩ haha kama wazee wa kitambo na inia rĩu na andũ a thutha ũyũ na andũ a memerekia na andũ a online na andũ a media arĩa othe a wendi mwega tũtigĩrĩre wĩra ũyũ nĩ wathira na mwana ũyũ nĩ athoma na mwaki nĩ oya mũthingi wa family ĩyo. So we are not raising funds because the man is needy. We want to stabilize the family. So the death was sudden. The death was so sudden hatirĩ time ya kwĩgaya. Kuri andu marwaraga muno makahinyĩrĩrĩka akahota kurauga ingĩendona nona no kuri andu maguthũkagĩrwo ataugĩte wendi wake. Rĩu wendi wake nĩ ithuĩ tũkuga ta arata na inyuĩ tũbange ũrĩa tũngĩona kone gwaku ũkĩka atĩa tũgĩtiga Mwangi tũmũtige ndarĩ thirĩ togauga na ndagoke kũrandwo rũthirĩ nĩ mũndũ. Let's put it very well. Aikorwo hera na thirĩ wa Muhiko mbeca iria irarutwo gũkũ nĩ committee cia gũthika Muhiko ti cia kũrĩha mathirĩ make. Thirĩ wake na mũkaigua kea yake kana nyũmba yake Mwangi nĩ endia kana mũgũnda wa mũhĩko mwaki nĩ endia ũgathiĩ ũgĩre thirĩ tondũ indo icio nĩ cia mũhĩko ciendio. No mbia ici irarutwo gũkũ nĩ citũ. Mũreke tũbange mathiko, mũndũ wĩ thirĩ ũrarĩ mũhĩko ararĩ thirĩ wake, na tũrĩkie program citũ na mbia citũ. Ici ndũkagĩre ti cia mwaki, ti cia family, nĩ citũ ta endio nĩ family. Mweterere mwaki akendia mũgũnda wa ithe kana broti ya ithe ũke ũrandũre. Akorwo ti ũguo mũigai haha, na nĩ njugire ũkũrĩa ũkĩũhĩgaga ũkĩnenehaga ũkambũria haha, na andũ angĩ nĩ tũtigagĩra o ũrĩa Karangu augire kũrĩ andũ tũtigagĩra mbara. Ithuĩ nĩ twatigire mbara, lakini hawa wazee wako hiyo mambo you will able to respond. Asante sana Karangu, you can continue.
Unengera mũrata witũ gwĩtwo MD ũgũtũhoera ũcoka tũhe kĩrathimo.
Kanitũhoe. Papa witũ wa igũrũ thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu Kristo nĩ twagũtĩĩa. Thengio nĩ tondũ wa gũtũhe kĩambĩrĩria kĩega na ningĩ watũhe kĩrĩkĩro kĩega. Thayũ waku ithe witũ nĩguo twahoya ũcio ũtandagwo nĩ meciria ma andũ thĩinĩ wa andũ aya aku magĩthiĩ kumagara thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu Kristo. Twahoya o ũguo ithe witũ, thayũ ũcio ũtũũre ũkĩrĩte ciana-inĩ cia mũhĩko thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu Kristo. Na ũndũ ũmwe ithe witũ tũngĩkũhoya nĩ thĩinĩ wa industry ya ũini baba witũ, mĩthingi ya ũini thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu Kristo twamĩambararia na kũrĩ we. Tũtirĩre mũthamaki ũrĩ tha, rũgamia ndeto ya gĩkuũ na maithori thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu Kristo, nacio ngumo na ũgoci igũtũũre ithe witũ.